There are 8 rules for the raw when it's thick, and the other times they're thin, and the other times it's both thick or thin. It could be. And if you look on the chart here, you see the rules when it's thick. The first one, when it's a fatha, as in Ramadan, raw is thick with Ramadan, not Ramadan, Ramadan. And the second one, if a raw is a sakin and the letter before it has a fatha on it, like for example, the word, like the word, Marokadina, like that word there. The ra is sakin and the letter before has a fatha, so therefore it's thick. And the third one is when you stop on it, like for example, wal asr, the ra is sakin, but the 2 letters before it has a fatha, so therefore it's pronounced thick. And then also the dhamma, kafaru, ra is thick here, kafaru. And also when is a sakin and before it is a letter with a dhamma, Quran. And then also when you stop on it and 2 letters before it, the letter before is sakin and the letter before is a dhamma, khusr. So those times it's thick. And then also it's thick if it's not before it is a kasra. Normally speaking, if you have a kasra before it, it's thin. But if it's a hamzatul wasl before it that takes the kasra, like irji'i, then the ra is thick. Normally speaking, it will be thin because you have a kasra before it, but because it's a hamzatul wasl, it's thick. And likewise, manir tada, because you have a hamzatul wasl before it, or ra, and even though there is a kasra before it, it would be thick. And the third occasion is when you have a thick letter after the ra sakina, that's not a kasra, not firkin, but all the other occasions. And like the example, kirtos. So the ra is sakina, and before it you have a kasra, so normally speaking it would be thin, but because there's a thick letter after ta, it becomes thick. So those are the 8 occasions where the ra is thick, when you have those rules there. And the other times it's thin, and the other 2 times it's both of them. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows best, and may peace and blessings be upon Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam.